Good morning. I am Khushi of Standard 9th of Vikas Vidyalaya, Dumri, Begusarai. I am here to explain the topic motion. Now, motion. Firstly, this is my introduction. First topic is motion. A body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to their surrounding is called motion. Ex- Example, rolling balls, playing children, now etc. My second topic is rest. A body is said to be at rest when it's not changes its position with respect to their surrounding is called rest. Example, our home, our bus, our school, etc. Now my third topic is differences between uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. A body is said to be in uniform motion when it's covered equal distance in equal interval of time. Second is non-uniform motion. A body is said to be in non-uniform motion when it's covered unequal distance in equal interval of time. Next, now second point is covers equal distance in equal time interval. And third point is distance time graph shows a straight line. And my non-uniform motion is second point covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Distance time graph shows a covered line. And uniform motion is zero acceleration and the non-uniform motion is non-zero acceleration. My fourth point is differences between distance and displacement. Distance, the actual length of path covered by a moving object is called distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Distance can be not zero. Distance can be only negative. Displacement, the shortest distance between covered by initial position to final position with respect to their during time taken is called displacement. Now second point is displacement. If displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement can be zero. Displacement can be negative or positive both. And distance SI unit is meter and displacement SI unit is meter. Now my fifth point is scalar versus vector quantity. Scalar quantities, all those quantities are which has only magnitude and no direction is called scalar quantity. For example, mass, speed, distance, etc. And my and vector quantity is all physical quantities which has both magnitude or direction is called vector quantities. Example, displacement, velocity, friction, etc. Thank you very much.